Hi there, it's Sam from poodles.co.uk. Thank you very much for joining me today. Today's project is this one. It's a lovely box. I love it. Using free paper and everything's new. I've promised you that I'll bring you 3 projects this week that are showing new stuff. And from the 1st of September. From the 5th of September, when the catalogue goes live, you can earn this designer series paper called Dashing Along for free. So let me show it to you. You get 4 of each paper. So let me find the 4th one. So 1, 2, and then the reverse side 3, 4. So there's 6 styles. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 1, 2, 3, 4. So you get all those patterns, and you get it for free if you place an order that is over £200 or €275, and you get the paper for free. And if you place that order of that size, you're going to get hostess benefits anyway, and you're going to get Stampin rewards. So you're going to get lots of free stuff, and you're getting paper for free too. We love it. It's called Dashing Along, and it starts when the catalogue goes live. It does say 1st to the 30th of September, but the catalogue doesn't go live until the 5th. So anyway, but I've got all sorts of other new things in here as well. I've got new embellishments, new punching, new paper, and I'm going to go for the green this time around. Okay, so your piece of paper, 6 by 12, and we're going to score on the long side first. Love this thing. You can get that in the catalogue too. Okay, so, I'm looking at the wrong measurements. 6 by 12. Score it on the long side at 1.5, 5 1/4, 6 3/4, and 10.5 inches, which in metric is 4, 13, 17 and 26. Turn it round on the short side, score it at 1.5 and at 4.5, which is 4 and 11. Now, if anybody is very clever and spotted this, those are exactly the same measurements as Wednesday's project, which had the beautiful Christmas fairy lights. The same measurements, but we're not making the same box, doing a different one. 1 set of measurements, 2 different boxes. Actually, you could make about 5 different styles of box from 1 set of measurements, but I'll do that another week. If you'd like me to do a series like that, please shout out how to take 1 set of measurements and turn it into lots of different styles of box. I have done that before. But yeah, if you'd like me to, let me know. Okay, so I folded and burnished, and what I'm going to do, see all of these squares here, I need to get rid of one of them. So it's the outer corner on 2 sides. Okay, first one's gone. At the other end, and we're going to turn it this way round. Go straight down, wedge into the square, not the rectangle, and repeat there as well. Okay, and I'm going to take a teeny little sliver of a hint of a whisper, tiny little bit, off that edge and that edge as well. Okay, then you turn it this way and come to the middle square, and we're going to cut left and right of the square and wedge in. And do the same opposite. Okay, so that's where we started. Rid of the top left, went in on the right and wedged there, because what's going to happen, this bit, we're going to stick it to here, like that. I'm going to bring this bit round, and the box will close up like that. So you have to put it so that it's inside out. Grab some glue. Yes, I'm still using fast fuse. Shh, don't tell anybody. I really do hope Stampin' Up brings it back. Maybe I put a little bit too much there. Okay, so bring these. These are going to go to the back, which is the one with the extra tabs. Okay, so you can see how it's beginning to form together. We need to put adhesive down this bit, so this is the one with the sections cut away. Oh, I've run out. I don't have a spare handy. Do I? Don't I? It's a good job everything's in close proximity. Let's just change that. Might be getting to the end. I think that's the last one in my drawer. What am I going to do? Okay. So, adhesive down there. I'm going to bring that round, and you need to eyeball, because this bit needs to line up with there, that one needs to line up with there, and this one needs to line up with there. So, wet glue might work, but I'm going to hope that I get it all lined up. Look at that. Oh, I did it. And let's do the same on the other side as well. I'm probably not going to get this one lined up, am I? Oh, I did as well. My measurements were very accurate. Okay, and then to finish off, bring that side down and then over like that. And obviously it does remain open. I'm okay with that because we're going to tie it up with some of this amazing ribbon. So this is Merry Merlot and copper. So on one side, I don't know how well you're going to see it, it's quite red, but the other side it's more copper, sorry. One side it's more copper, and on the other it's red, or the Merry Merlot. So if I hold both sides together, you can see the difference. Oh yes, just beautiful. Okay, so I'm just going to tie that in a loose knot for the minute, and I'm going to do all sorts of stuff. So we've got these gorgeous embellishments which are actually quite big. You can glue them down. I have got them on a card project. But I have no idea if you've seen it or not, but I've actually got it glued down on 3 sides. Isn't that pretty? If you haven't seen it yet, it's coming up. If you have, you've seen it. This is what happens when I film all out of sync. And I'm going to find my copper metallic thread, and I want to get about 3 lengths of it. Okay, that's not enough. I'm going to have to do 2 lengths. So I've just doubled it up just so it's a little bit thicker. And tie it off to make a tag. Oops. Loop it on. Oops. Doesn't want to play. Right. Oh, it's gone too far down now. Let's try that again. Loop it on. Oh, I made it too short anyway. And then tie off a lovely bow, or whatever you can manage while you're filming a video. I made my ends too short. Aww. Anyway, there we go. So very sweet. Oh look, it's done. Oh, it's done it like that. Oh, I don't know if you can see that. Can you see? It's actually separated the parts, and so that it's looping around there and there. Well, that's an unexpected extra. I wasn't expecting that. And if I show you the 2 different stars we've got, so we've got a snowflake and we have a star. And I put a star on this one, but it's separated itself. But actually, that's kind of cool. Right, and then to finish off, new punch. I'm just going to use new everything. And we've got this triple pack of glimmer paper, and so it's the dark red. I don't think it's officially being named anything, but I'm going to say this is Tranquil Tide, Merry Merlot and Copper, and I just think it's lovely. So shall I do copper or shall I do green? I'm going to do copper on this one, so I'll have a couple of those and a little tiny dab of glue. Okay, that was quite a big dab of glue. On there and on there. Mini glue dot to the back. And tuck it up there on the ribbon. That glue will dry, and you can see on this one I did 2 in that green, and then I punched out a plain cardstock Tranquil Tide one as well, taking inspiration from the catalogue. Lovely, sweet little box. Much prefer the bow on this one. Well, apart from the fact that I've got that all wrong colours anyway. But I love it. And free paper! Free paper! You see, you could place your order, get your free paper, and then with all of your Stampin' rewards, because you'd get quite a lot, you could get your glimmer paper, you could get your embellishments, or you could get your ribbon, or you could get it all. Love it. Anyway, thank you ever so much for joining me. Back to normal next week. Hope to speak to you soon. Bye.